Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of not being able to delete apps on your iPhone. Solution 1. Check for restrictions. Tap Settings. Tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Tap the Deleting Apps option. Choose the Allow option. OK. Enter the screen time passcode. Now that the problem is solved, you can delete the app again. Solution to delete apps from the home screen. Press and hold the app you want to delete. Tap Remove App. Then select Delete App. Tap Delete to confirm. Solution 3. Delete apps from settings. Unlock iPhone and tap Settings. Tap General and choose iPhone Storage. Locate the app you want to delete. Tap Delete App. Tap Delete App again. OK, the app is removed from your iPhone successfully. Solution for restart your iPhone. Firstly, power off the iPhone. Then start it again. Solution 5. Update the iOS. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is an available update, tap Update Now. Enter the passcode to proceed. OK, the new update is in installing. Solution 6. Uninstall apps with iSunshare iDevice Genius. Firstly, connect the iPhone to your computer. Go to iSunshare iDevice Genius official website. iSunshare iDevice Genius is the iOS clean software that can help to uninstall the apps to free up space. Then download and install the program on your computer. Open the software. See, your iPhone is detected. Click the Uninstall option on the left side. Now hit the Scan button. All third-party apps are listed here. Click the Uninstall button and the app will be completely removed from your iPhone. That's all for the video.